Confused about changing from the MRT to the BTS in Bangkok? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to transfer from the MRT Purple Line at Tao Poon onto the MRT Blue Line and then change to the BTS Skytrain at Chatuchak Interchange. It's fast and it's easy for tourists.
Okay, to Bang Sue, Chatuchak Park and Lad Prao, we're going to use platform 1. Platform 1, Chan Chala Nung. And this is the station information here. So we've got Soi Nam Chai, Chan Chala Nung, Soi Krung Take Non Tabari, Soi Krung Take Non Tabari 2, Pracha Ratsai Road 4. Okay, let's collect to the Blue Line MRT so we can connect by going down here. We want Chatuchak Park. This station also gets very busy, especially in the mornings and at around about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, something like that, peak commuting time. Okay, we're heading along here. So we want to go to Chatuchak Park, and that is where we're going to change onto the BTS. And just look at all the people waiting here. Look at that. Look at this, I think we're going to be packed in like sardines here. Actually, we didn't make it onto that train, can you believe it? Just look at the amount of people there, wow. Okay, I wonder if I'm going to get on this time. Let us see. Okay, we're at Chatuchak Park Station now. The challenge is to actually get out of here. And it's not too bad, but you might have to do some pushing and shoving. This is Chatuchak Park Station, the MRT Blue Line. Okay, let's just take the escalator and go up. Okay, there we go. We've also got the exit information there. So exit 1 is Chatuchak Weekend Market. Exit 2 is Chatuchak Park. Exit 3 is BTS Mo Chit Station. That's the exit we want. And exit 4 is the Department of Land Transport. And out we go. Okay, heading towards exit 3, BTS Mo Chit Station. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, got exit 1. I've been told to go this way, even though it said exit 3 there. Okay, out we come, and that's okay. We've got the park this side, also the BTS this side as well, so you can come out at exit 1 or exit 3. So this is exit 1 here, and that is the BTS Mo Chit. Exit 3 will bring you out across the road there, and you can still connect to BTS Mo Chit. Okay, we're going to get the BTS train now, so I'm heading to Phaya Thai, so we'll just go in this BTS station here. Okay, in we go. We've got the ticket machines here, so you can use the ticket machines. You've also got the English version there, and you can put your coins in here. So you've got the instructions. So first of all, you tap the screen to begin. Select your destination, so you can select your destination on there. Select the number of tickets, so you can have up to a maximum of 4 tickets. Make a payment, you can make a payment in there, or scan. And then collect your tickets and change from here. But I'm going to pay with cash at the ticket office over there. ผมอยากไปพญาไท
พญาไท40 บาท
Okay 40 baht 40 baht to go to พญาไทครับ Okay, there we go. We've got the old plastic card, the Bat Doi San. Okay, all you have to do, guys, is swipe it on here and open sesame. I want to go to Chanchala Nung, platform 1. And here we are on the platform. I don't think too many people are going to get in here. Again, the platforms are very busy and we can't get in. Gonna have to wait for the next train. Here comes the next train. That's just about it for this video. So thank you very much for coming along with me. Remember to give it a big thumbs up like that, hit that subscription button and drop me a comment and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.